Good morning, everyone. It's Tony Reed here in the Bronx. We're doing something totally different. We're here with the Youth Ministries for Peace and Justice, all right? Right here at the Soundview Economic Hub, all right? Today what we did was got together with all the families, right? And what we did was the most exclusive thing at all, bringing drone building to the Bronx. All right, drone technology has been literally racing off the charts, but a lot of the communities have no idea how to get into it. So today the drone cadets, the whole team got together and we had 25 families here for free to show them how to build a drone. Now, you know, this community effort we're doing is to include everyone we know in the families of the Bronx and all the 5 boroughs on what drones are about, from industry to building to jobs. So today was not only just a great day, it was a blessing because we had the opportunity to work with YMPJ, and we've never worked with them before, so this was actually our first time doing it.
Hi everyone, my name is Invendia Diaz, the Director of Community Development and Planning at Youth Ministries for Peace and Justice. We're very excited to welcome the drone cadets at the Soundview Economic Hub. We're very excited for our kids to learn how to build drone, fly drone, and get in touch with their technology. We're so excited.
The drone cadets are going to be doing this in every borough across the state so that we can bring nothing but, we want to bring you communication, right? We want to bring you what drones are all about. Let people know that drone technology is here and that you can be a part of what the growing evolution of drones are going to be. Thank you to Ms. Diaz, all right, for actually bringing us on, because without her, this would not be possible. All right, thank you to my team for actually being here with me and helping me out, and to the parents who are responding, all 25 of you. I hope you had a blast. We did, and look out for more activities and more events that we're going to be doing here in the Bronx. Tony Reed from Drone Cadets, out.